Hello everyone. Here I am with my Excel project Sales Analytics. My dear friends, Sales Analytics is a Excel project in which I have used various functions of Excel like Power Pivot, Pivot Table, Power Query, and conditional formatting. So first of all, let me guide you through the what is the problem statement of this project, right? So let's go through the PPT. So the table of content is first we will be having introduction, then we will be seeing the problem statement, then we will see the project overview, and then finally we will see the project report. So the sales analytics project, it is a project report created using Microsoft Excel to analyze Atlic's hardware market performance. Okay, so here we will have the sales data of Atlic executive for the different financial year, for example, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Here we will be seeing the growth, year on year growth. We will be seeing uh, profit and which uh, uh, which segment is performing better, which segment is underperforming. These are the various type of comparison which we will do. So first of all, let's understand what does Atlic hardware does, and then we'll see the report. So Atlic Hardware is a leading company which supplies products such as computer hardware and peripherals to clients across world. So Atlic Hardware, you can see here Atlic Hardware, it produces various computer peripherals. For example, mouse, desktop, okay, printer. These are the various computer peripherals. Now these products are being sold by Atlic Hardware to different customers. Okay, so these are the customers of Atlic, Chroma, Best Buy, Staples, and Flipkart. These are the different customers of Atlic Hardware, and these are, you can say, these are the suppliers which supplies product direct to end consumer. So we are the end consumer. So consumer will be purchasing from the customer, and customer will be purchasing from the Atlic Hardware. So please try to understand here the difference between customer and consumer. Customer is the person or is the body which is purchasing product directly from the manufacturer. Okay, and consumers are the human beings. We are the consumers who are the end user of the product. Now, uh, the the customers of Atlic Hardware, there are two category of customers in Atlic Hardware. They are brick and mortar and e-commerce. Brick and mortar basically means uh, the customers which have a physical store. For example, you can see Chroma stores are there in the cities, Best Buy. So these are the brick and mortar form of platforms. And you can also see that e-commerce type of platform are also there. For example, Amazon and Flipkart are the platform which purchase product from Atlic. Now, here, the customers of Atlic hardware can be categorized into three types: retailers, direct, and distributor. So first of all, let's try to understand what do you mean by retailer. So retailer are the customers who purchase their product directly from Atlic hardware, and they can have a physical store, or also they can have a digital presence. For example, Chroma is a brick and mortar form of retailer, whereas Amazon is not a brick and mortar form. It is a internet based. Okay. Then here next you have direct. So Atlic Hardware also sells its product directly through its own channel. Okay. So there are two channel by which Atlic Hardware sells its own product. So the first channel is Atlic eStore and the second is Atlic Exclusive. Atlic eStore is an internet web-based service. Okay, like Amazon, and Atlic Exclusive is a physical store. Okay, like we see for other companies, Apple and that. Distributor, for example, in certain countries, retailers and direct sellings are not allowed. So therefore, these companies have a distributor, and these distributor will be circulating their product to various small retailers. So, for example, in China, we have a distributor named as Neptune. Okay, so these are the various different type of customers of Atlic hardwares. So our problem statement is Atlic hardware performed initially well, but they have faced significant losses in recent year. So this is primarily due to their reliance on handwritten report and not having data analytics team. Okay, so there was a difficulty in decision making. Their decision were not based upon the insights. So they brought in data analytics team to create an Excel report to analyze the market performance, customer net sales performance, etc., and much more. Okay, so let's discuss about the dataset. I will be showing you the dataset. So here we are having four CSV file: dim customer, dim market, dim product, and fact sales monthly. I will be going through each one of them to, we will go through the data, that what does data says. So first of all, starting with dim customer. So dim customer, here you can see, I will not expand it fully. Here, dim customer means it is a dimension table. Okay. So here you can see the first column is a customer code, second is customer name, third is market, fourth is platform, and last one is channel. So customer code is the code of the customer. Customer is the name. For example, you can see here Atlic exclusive. This is the customer code. This is the customer name. Market means in which country it is selling its product. For example, here for Atlic exclusive, Indonesia and South Korea both are there. And here you can see platform. It is selling its product through which platform? Brick and mortar or direct? So sorry, brick and mortar or e-commerce. Platform are two types: brick and mortar and e-commerce. So here it is using brick and mortar, which means it is having a physical store. Now here you can see channel. It is selling through which channel? It is selling directly, means Atlic exclusive sells its product directly. Okay, so this is the information which we are getting from this table. Here you can see the count: 190 customers are there. Okay, now let's see the next data set. So let's see the next data set. So here we have dim market. So as the name suggests, it would be showing the different market across the countries, across the different region. Okay, so let's see what is there in this data set. So here we have market, and for each market we have a subzone and we have a region. So for example, if you go through the country, India is there or not? India, yes, India. So for India, we have sub-region as India, and we have region as APAC. Okay, so APAC short form, what does it want to indicate here? I think it would be Asia Pacific and Asia continent, I guess. EU would be Europe. Okay, EU would be Europe, NE would be North America, SC would be South America. Okay, and here we are having two uh, NA values. So we need to consult with the data engineer and get this sorted, that what will be the values here. Okay, for USA and Canada, which are the subzones and region. Again, this is a 24 counts are there. Let's see the next data set. Next, we have dim product. So dim product it would be having the product ID, I guess, product name, and categories. To which category does this product belong? See here, these are the this. So first column we have product code, then we have division, then we have segment, then we have category, then we have product name. So in PC and in notebook, for PC and notebook segment, we are having this gaming laptop. These are the names of the gaming laptop, and these are the variant, in which different variant it is available, in which different color it is available. Okay, so that is what we have in the dim product table. Next we have a fact table, fact sales monthly. So this is very important table for us, because based upon this we will be taking out our insights for the profit and losses done by the companies, sorry, done by the customers. It is a big file, so it is taking time to load. See here we have a date on which it is purchase is done. We have the customer code, sorry, we have the product code, then we have customer code. So this customer code purchased this product on this date at this timing. Here we are also having time, and this is the quantity. Okay, so quantity cannot be negative, I guess, and here it is net sales. Here you can see certain quantities are negative. So negative quantity might indicate that at the time of requirement by customer, this much quantity was not available in our warehouse. We can guess like that. So therefore it can be negative. Okay, but I will get this sorted by asking the team. Okay, here various negative quantities are there. So in order to do this project, either I will make the quantities as positive. I will take the quantities as positive because quantities cannot be negative, right? And here sales amount, net sales amount is also there. So net sales amount must indicate that the sales has been done. So therefore it is a mistake that here it is minus. So here we will take the absolute value. Okay. So these are the different data set which we have. Now, in order to make the project, what I have done, in order to make the project, I have used Power Query to clean the data. Okay, I have used Power Query to clean the data. Then I have loaded again to the Excel. I have used Power Pivot to connect various data. I have used Power Pivot and data modeling to connect the various attribute between different tables. Okay, and then I have prepared the report by using pivot table, which is a summarizing tool in Excel. Meanwhile, in doing this Excel analytics project, I have got to learn various terms such as physical year, year-on-year growth, okay, profit after tax, profit, net sales, profit percentage, COGS, that is cost of goods sold. Okay, so these are the different terms which I got to know in this project. So these are the various financial terms I got to learn in this project. Now, so here I have two report, that is customer performance report and market performance report versus target. So customer performance report will show us how the customer is performing in the region. Market performance report versus target is a report in which we will be seeing the customers who are being given a target and what is their performance against that target. Okay, so there are two types of key matrices which we are measuring, that is net sales and growth percentage. Net sales and growth percentage. Tools which are used in this project is Microsoft Excel, Pivot Table, Power Pivot, Power Query, conditional formatting, and DAX, that is data analysis expression. Okay, so if you write any query in Power BI, then it is called as in Power Query, then it is called as DAX. Okay, and in order to write the DAX formulas, the language which we used is called M language. So that is the end of the slide. Let's see the report. So I'll be taking you through the report. See, so the first report is customer performance report. Here you can see this is the customer performance report. Uh, Let me take you through the report. Here the report shows that the customer name is Acclaimed Stores. In 2019, it has done a sale of 1.4 million. In 2022, it has done a sale of 2.9 million, and in 2021, it has done a sale of 10.9 million. There is a significant increase in the sales number from 2020 to 2021. So this is showing the percentage of sales increase from 2020 to 2021. So this we have done for all the customers. Okay. So here you can see this is the mm, and I have used conditional formatting in order to highlight the highest performing and less performing. Here you can see these are the bars. Here it is having the highest performance 722. Okay, here it is darker. This side is darker, so this is done using conditional formatting. Therefore, it is showing 19.3 million. This is a bit more darker as compared to that. Amazon is having the sales of 82.1 million in 2021. Okay, so this is what does customer performance report shows. This I have made by using Power Pivot. Okay, Power Pivot, Power Query, and at last I have used Power summarizing tool name is what we called it as. pivot table. Okay. So sorry, I forgot the name. Here I've used pivot table in order to summarize the data. Okay. So this is customer performance report. Let's see market performance report. So in market performance report, as I discussed in the presentation, here we are given with countries, and we are given with year, we are given with target, and we are given that uh, we are given with target, and we have to calculate how much underperforming or overperforming we are as compared to target, whether we have met our target or not. For example, if you see for Australia in 2021, the sales done in the Australia region, okay, whatever the channel may be, it would be brick or mortar or e-commerce, it would be through retail or direct or through any distributor. But the net sales done in the Australia region is 21 million in 2021. Okay, but the target for 2021 was 23.2 million. So here you can see there is a we have not met our target by 2.2 million. We are minus 2.2 million, which accounts to 10.5% of their sales. Okay, so in order to meet their target, they have to increase their sales by 10.5%. Okay, so here you can see majority of the all the countries are underperforming. Okay, where is India? Let's go to India. India. India, for India, the sales done is 2021 is 161.3 million, whereas the target given to it was 170.8 million. So this is the difference between the target and the sales. So that is my 9.6 million. Okay. So this is what I have done in my project. Thank you for listening to me. Okay. I have attached the market performance report and customer performance report PDF below this video. You can check it out, and you can check it also this. You can also check this out on my portfolio page. Thank you so much. Bye bye.